Hi and welcome everybody. My name's Chris from Teacher and Student, and in this video I will show you the easiest solution for when your spelling and grammar check in Word is not working. Just like in my case here, you can see a small text with lots of spelling mistakes, but none of these mistakes are underlined, which would indicate us that the spelling is incorrect. This issue is very often the case when you work on a document that you have received from someone else or copied and pasted a text from somewhere else. That text then keeps the original formatting in which spell checking was disabled. It also sometimes happens when you create your own document, but there is a super easy fix. Let's do it together. First thing, we highlight the entire text just like this. If you have a very long text over several pages, you could also use the keyboard combination Ctrl and A to highlight your entire text. We then select Review tab from the top bar and click on the little down arrow in the language section. In the drop-down, we then click on Set Proofing Language. The first thing you should check in the pop-up window is that the right language is selected as default, which is English for me, so that's fine. However, the main check you have to do is this tick box here. Do not check spelling or grammar. This tick box needs to be empty, but sometimes due to formatting reason it is enabled. So untick this box and don't forget to click on OK. And straight away you can see the red waves under misspelled words, which is indicating us that our spell check is indeed working now. Disabling the tick box I just showed you is the solution in, I would say, 99% of the cases. However, some of you might find that the issue is still not fixed. So we do one more thing that is going to work guaranteed. It's also very easy to do. Let me just bring up a new Word document. And what you can see here is that I have do not check spelling and grammar unticked, but still my spelling mistakes are not underlined. So what we do now is select the File tab from the top bar and then navigate all the way down to the Options. This opens a little Word Options pop-up window from where you select Proofing in the left-hand navigation. When you scroll all the way down, you might have a spelling exception enabled for your particular document, which you can see selected here. All you have to do is uncheck the tick box of hide spelling errors in this document only, and also uncheck the tick box of hide grammar errors in this document only. Then again, don't forget to click on OK. And you will finally see the red waves in our text indicating that the spelling and grammar check is really working now. That's how easy it is to fix the spelling and grammar check issue in Word. If you would like to learn more about very common issues in our everyday technology world, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. I'm looking forward to seeing you again. Take care.